Okay, Catholic High, P5 with an assessment 1. This is for 2021. Okay, I'm going to go through some questions. Let's look at the questions from the back first. Okay. So 13, let's look at 13, the last question. Okay, pen costs $1, notebook costs $2 more than a pen. Mei Ling paid $98 for some notebooks and pens. She bought twice as many notebooks as pens. How many pens did she buy? Okay. So first, for this question, I know that this is actually grouping question because of this. She bought twice as many notebooks as pens. So in terms of quantity, if I were to group them up, okay, group A. In one group, you have 2 notebooks and 1 pen. Okay, so I have many groups. So dot. The total amount spent is $98. So I need to find what is inside one group. Now, what is one notebook? One pen, $1. One notebook is $2 more. So it's $2 plus $1, which is $3. Now, in one group, I have 2 pens. 2 notebooks. So I'll find 2 notebooks. Which is $6. Okay, so 2 notebooks is $6. 1 pen is $1. So this is grouping. Now, if I know the total amount is $98, then I should be finding the total amount in one group.
Also, they're like, so 6 plus 1 equals. Wait, isn't it 3?
Huh?
No, it's, oh, wait, yeah.
Oh, because, right, you mean like the 2 and the 1, huh?
No, I look at the 1 and.
Oh, you thought, okay. But no, but because there's twice as many notebooks, so there must be 2 notebooks, not 1.
So there are 7 groups, so 98 divided by 7.
98 divided by 7 to find?
How many groups are there?
Yeah. Okay, so 98 divided by 7, this will give us 14. 14 groups. What's the question asking for?
Oh, how many pens did you buy? So each group has 1 pen, so
Yes.
14 times 14. 1.
Equals 14. So answer 14 pens. Okay. Then what about B? How much more money did she spend on the notebooks than pens? Now, since I already did my grouping, right? I know there's 14 groups. So let's make use of the grouping to answer part B. So how much did she spend more on the notebooks than pens in one group?
$5.
So that is what I call the difference in one group. Okay, so 6 minus 1.
Oh, sorry. So 14 times 1 equals 14.
No,
14
wait.
times.
The difference in one group is $5, right? Then how many groups are there?
So
then just multiply. You know, like one group, the difference is $5, right? You want to find the difference in all the groups, right? So you just times.
Also do that.
Yeah, that would be
my
much
opinion
faster.
Was 6.
I know you 14 times
minus 14. My opinion was 6 times 14.
14. Then 1 times 14, right? Then minus, right?
Yeah.
Can also, but this way will be faster because we already know that there's 14 groups. So you just find whatever you need in that one group, then multiply by 14.
You know what I always do for this question?
What?
Guess and check.
No, don't do
guess to be like, yeah.
Okay, please don't do guess and check.
I need to not draw this and use only numbers.
Okay, the next one that I want to look at is 12. Let's look at 12. Okay, Melvin wanted to exchange some tokens for reward. He had only 1/3 of the total number of tokens needed. After he received another 60, he still needed 5/12 of the total number of tokens. How many tokens did he need to redeem the reward? Huh?
Draw model.
Model, huh? Okay. But then this is 1/3 of the total, right? Of the total.
Wait, 1/3 times 4.
No, we don't know the total. Then this is also 5/12 of the total, right? So to make it comparable, we should change it to same denominator since they are talking about the total, right?
That's why I did 1 out of 3 times 4.
Okay. I thought okay. Sorry, here wrong. Okay. Never mind. Then so first, right, he only had 4/12. This is what he has. In the end, after receiving 60, right, what fraction does he have? It's not 5/12, right? In the end, okay, this is at first. At first, he has 4/12. Then in the end, he still needed 5/12. So I should be finding what he has by minusing 5/12. He still needed 5/12, means he has 7/12. Right? Don't play with the mic.
Okay.
Okay, so then how come it became from 4/12 become 7/12? Because there's an increase, right? Increase when he received another 60 tokens. So the change from 4/12 to 7/12 is 3/12, which means that 3/12 of the total is actually the 60 that he received. So 1/12 of the total will be 60 divided by 3 equals 20. So how many tokens did he need to redeem the reward? So you are supposed to find the total that he needs, which is 12/12. Okay, they're not asking how many more tokens, but like how many tokens does he need? So the total. So 12 times 20 equals to 240.
Oh.
Okay, so let's look at next one, 10. True, false question. Okay, there were 4 times as many red apples as green apples. So let's just show this first.
There were 4 times as
4 times as many red as green, like that. Okay, so okay, A, 1/4 were green. Is it true?
Yeah, that's true.
True. You look at this, 1/4 were green. Is it true?
Yeah, no.
What? Yeah, no.
I said no.
Oh, no.
Because there are 5 units, so it's supposed to be 1 out of 5.
Yeah, so
4.
false. Don't be tricked. If you draw it out, it's easier to see. Okay, part B, if after half of the red were given away, there were twice as many.
I didn't go exam like this. Oh, I will have to take it and then waste a mark.
B, true or false or not possible to tell. After half of the red were given away, there were twice as many red as green.
After half there were twice. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, so after half of red, that means this part here gone, right?
There
will be
more
twice. So yes, it's true. Okay, let's look at long division.
What?
Question 5. Express 7 divided by 7/8. Yeah, I picked this question because I think a lot of students may make this error. Maybe they will do like 9 divided by 7, but you shouldn't do 9 divided by 7. It's 7 over 9 is 7 divided by 9. Then also,
let me think. What's the answer?
Okay, then 7 divided by 9 is 0, so 0, this one 0, 7, right? So you bring down, you want to add a decimal point, bring down a 0.
Oh,
introduce a 0.
I know the answer.
Then this is 7. 7 times 9, 63. Then you get 7. You keep getting the same number.
Wait, if it says 2 decimal place, right?
That means
we need to stop it at the 3 decimal.
Yes, correct. Yes. That's the other thing I want to say. So if they're asking,
my mother said start the second.
You know why must stop at the third one?
Yeah, because it's always +1.
But you know why?
Because math is designed like that.
No. Because right, if you just stop here, right, then you will probably write the answer as 0.77, right? But if you continue one more decimal place, right, then you realize that, oh, actually, the next number is a 7, so I cannot leave it at 0.77. I should leave it as 0.78. Okay, so 0.77 is wrong. 0.78 is correct. Because if you don't do the third decimal place, how you know whether round up or round down? That's the reason. Not because it's supposed to be like that. Okay. Next. Yeah, I go through 2 more questions. Okay, MCQ one. Question 4. A baker bought 4 kg of flour. He used 2/5 kg on Monday and half kg on Tuesday. How many kilograms of flour did he have left? Right, it's supposed to find left. Okay, let's find out how much he used first. 2/5 and half. So 2/5 plus half. This one we change it to over 10. Right, so times 2, times 2 times 2, then this is times 5 times 5. So this will give us 9/10 kg. Now, how much is left? This is the amount used. He bought this much. So I need to minus off. So 4 minus 9/10.
The answer is 1 after all. Because 1 is first.
Because 4 whole minus 9/10, like, is that you are left with 3 wholes, right? Then 10 over 10 minus 9 over 10, you're left with 1/10. So yeah, 1. And then the last one, question 2.
Question 2.
3 pies shared equally among 5 children. How many pies did 2 children receive? Okay, so 5 children.
5 children
3
equals
pies.
3.
Then one first, right? 1 child. 3 divided by 5 or 5 divided by 3? Now, if you want this, right?
5 divided by 3.
Wrong.
What?
You have 5.
Oh, yeah. 3 divided by 5.
Yeah, 3 divided by 5.
Because it's talking about the pies, not the children.
Okay. So if you want to find 1 child, you should divide by 5. It's like your units, right? Okay, so this is 3.
Because 3 out of 5.
Then you want 2 children. So we have to times 2. And the answer is, this will give us 6 over 5, right? 6 over 5 is 1 and 1/5. So answer is 3. Okay, so this part here times 2. So label out is easier to see. You don't label out careless mistakes.
Oh, no wonder they have this thing called 3 divided by 5. Today I was trying my calculator. I thought 175 could divide by 9, but they gave me on the calculator 175 out of 9.
Yeah, means cannot.
But
Okay,
it's
wait,
like
let
a
me end
bigger,
this
like
first.
100 divided by 10.
Let me end this first. Okay.